Down the shed!
Hi and welcome to Down the Shed. So in this video we're going to build one of these little metal detectors. I built this one quite some time ago. It's an EQ kit, this one. You can get these from IC Station. Shed-ICS for a 15% discount on your order. Order over $20 and you don't pay postage. So order 15, get my 15% off. You actually get quite a good deal. I do, that's what I use. So yeah, basically it's quite a close proximity thing, but it will find a lighter inside a pocket. That ain't brilliant metal. So let's crack on and build one. Right, so the board's nicely marked up. C2, C3, 222, R1, 200K. Transistors Q1, Q2, 9018, 9012. A 2K resistor, 470R. So let's empty out the little bag of parts. Now none of them are marked or colour coded in any way, apart from the actual resistors themselves. So when I find it, make sure I like to use the little component tester. I think that was bang good. You probably get them on eBay all over the place. Good little kit build and a useful tool once you've built it. It was one of the first few kits that you spent a few quid on. So that's 200K, 193. Been trying to fix the Mrs. alternator. Got a sheared, well not a sheared bolt, got a rounded off bolt, so I'm just gonna, it's replaceable, so I'm gonna cut the blooming thing out with the angle grinder tomorrow. It's 2K. So 2K red, black, red, gold. And the 200K is red, black, yellow, gold, which really only leaves 470R. We'll just double check that. 460.8, so there we go, it's close enough. They never always bang on, rarely. So we'll blue tack those down in a minute. I think we can probably get something else on the board over in the round. We'll probably pop that LED down, get that top middle section out of the way. So short leg, negative, flat side of the board, square pad for the positive, unwritten rule. So we'll blue tack this lot down. Okay, next we'll put in the 222 ceramic caps. So that's those up here. And we'll get these two, there's 3 transistors. So this is S9018. Remember to match the shape of the transistor, flat side, round side, to the simulated shape on the silk screen. You don't want them the wrong way round. So what's this one? This is a 9012, so that'll do nicely. Again, making sure the shape matches. So we'll pop some blue tack and solder those in. Right, so now we'll put the electrolytic cap in. So that's 100 UF. Check. So that plus, it's marked on the board, it's also got the square terminal, long leg, minus. There's a tiny bit of white marking on there which goes with the negative stripe on the component. Drop that in. That'll be the middle of the board done. So we've got a couple of 104s here. So we'll pop the 104 in there, underneath that first transistor in the middle. We'll just give that a bit of something to sit by, and I think we can probably get away with popping the variable resistor in. There we go. So we'll just put a bit of blue tack on that anyway. We'll get that done. Right, we'll get the other 104 capacitor in. Ceramic. So that goes in below the 100 UF electrolytic capacitor. We'll put this buzzer in. It's marked plus, and the plus will be on the tab up here. So that will want blue tacking in for certain. So we'll pop that down, get that capacitor slots into place, and I think we'll put this other transistor in because we can use that bit. Shouldn't need holding in though, so there should be a 012. It is. So same way as the other two, but just double check the board. Otherwise you end up getting the I think it's the base and the collector wrong. That little leg won't jump over. There he goes. So we'll solder those down. I'll turn my little fan on. There we go. One extractor fan. Can hear a Chinook. Just transistor. That's that. There's one there. There we go, it's took now. So it just leaves us the switch and the power supply. There's a little like button on the board. I'm guessing that's the indentation within the switch. There's the power supply, little rising clamp. Plug those two on. Let's go on to the next one, come back to that. There we go. Right, snip this lot off, that should be it all done. Throw some power in there. That chopper's coming back round. I live in Salisbury Plain, so this is kind of like normal. I've seen the Queen flying and everything. So that's the board complete. Let's get some power into it. So I've put the power in and we'll switch it on. Oh, it is on. when you turn it on, if this is set to the middle, you'll get constant beeping with the light. So you need to turn the variable resistor to just off, and then you should be able to get metal readings. Not a bad little bit of kit. I've got two now. But yeah, it does work. I mean, you could use this as a body detector. I did have my Zippo lighter in my pocket the other day, and it did, if you swept it up and down the coat, it would have picked up like it will on those pliers. So yeah, cracking little kit. The item number, the item ID for IC station will be scrolling under the screen now. 15% discount using voucher code shed-ICS. The links in the description are affiliated, one to the homepage, one directly to this product, but that won't cost you anything extra. In fact, you save 15% by using shed-ICS. So I'll see you in the next video. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next project.